Are you having trouble with Facebook search not working on your phone? You're not alone. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through a few simple steps that usually fix the problem in just a couple of minutes. First, find the Facebook app on your home screen and long press on it. From the options that appear, tap on App Info, sometimes shown as the small I button. Once you're inside the app settings, scroll down and open Storage. Here, tap on Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that often cause search issues. After clearing the cache, go back one screen and tap on Force Stop, then confirm by pressing OK. This completely closes the app and resets it. Now return to your home screen and open the Play Store. Tap on the search bar, type Facebook, and check if there's an update available. If you see an update, install it and wait for the process to finish. Once the update is done, open Facebook again and try searching for anything. In most cases, the search feature should start working normally again. If the issue is still not fixed, the last option is to uninstall the Facebook app and then reinstall it fresh from the Play Store. This usually resolves stubborn problems caused by corrupted app data. That's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Facebook search not working issue easily. Thanks for watching, and stay connected for more helpful tech tips.